Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to get free USA number for WhatsApp verification. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily get free USA number for your WhatsApp verification. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store and then download this special application. You need to make sure you download this virtual sim, so you can see this application. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So you can see this application over here, and it has more than 1 million plus downloads, so you can see it over here. Now all you need to do is to download this application. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of this application. Now once you have downloaded this application, the second application that we're going to use in this video is JPVPN or Japan VPN. Once you search for JPVPN, there are many. You can see there are so many, but I'll recommend this one for you. So you can see this special one. This is the one that you are supposed to download right here. So you can see it over here. So you can see this with more than 10k plus download. So you have to download this special VPN, which is the Japan VPN. Now once you have downloaded all these two special applications, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open this application. But before you start everything, you need to create a free or a new Gmail account for this. You don't have to use a Gmail account that you have been using or you have used to log into so many, or you have used to sign up on this particular app. So you have to create a new one for this free number to work for you. So you have to create a new or a fresh Gmail account for this. So if you don't know how to do that, you can check under the description of this video. I have a video on how you can create your unlimited Gmail account, so you can just watch that video, and then it is very easy. So just create a fresh Gmail account, and once you are done, just open your JPVPN over here. So let me go and then open my JPVPN. Now once you open this Japan VPN, you need to wait as it is loading over here. So just wait for a while, and you can see there are some ads, so you have to skip the ad. And you can see over here there are so many servers over here, so you have to select the strong ones. So just select the strong ones. You can select any of them. So let me use this, and then you can see over here, just click on understood, just click on wait, and then connect to this VPN. So you can see it is connecting. So you can see over here, just click on connect to this VPN, and you can see just click on agree. So you can see, do you want to connect? So just click on agree, and you can see just click on OK, and you can see boom, I'm now connected to this special VPN over here. So you can see I'm now connected to this VPN. Now once you are done, just go back and then open your virtual sim. So just open your virtual sim over here. So just open your virtual sim, and you can see, just click on the first option. You can see agree uploading contact. Just click on that, and you need to make sure you allow the permission. So this is very important. So you have to allow this permission, because they will call you. So you can see allow virtual sim to record audio. They will call you to give you the OTP or the verification code. Once you enter the number or the USA number on this application, so you have to allow this. You have to allow this, because this is very important. So just click on allow. So you have to allow all the permissions to open this special application, and you can see sign in. Just click on sign in. And now once you click on sign in, you can see all my Gmail account over here. But like I said earlier, you need to make sure the Gmail account you're using is a new. So you have to create a fresh and a new Gmail account for this. So I have created a new Gmail account for the purpose of this video. So let me use that one. And then you can see please wait. So just wait as it is loading over here. And now this is optional. So let me enter my name, but this is not all that important. So let me enter some name for the purpose of this video. And then the most important thing is to create a new Gmail account for this. So this is not all that important. So let me use any Gmail account, but let me use same account, and then click on save. You can see the save button at the top here. Just click on save over here. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to click on the dial button over here, and you can see caller ID. So this is the number over here. So you can just copy this number, because this is the number that you're going to use to create our WhatsApp or our Telegram account. So just make sure you just keep this number, so you can just write this number anywhere. So once you are done, now boom, your number is active. So you can see your number over here. So like I told you earlier, you need to make sure you are using a fresh or a new Gmail account, as this won't work for you. And if you are already having the virtual sim, you have to tap and hold it, and then click on app info. And then once you click on app info, you have to clear cache and storage. So if you're already having it before this video, just clear storage so that it can work for you. So once you are done, you have to also go to permissions, and then allow all the permissions. So you can see microphone and then also phone. So you have to make sure you allow these permissions. This is if you are already having the application, because if you are using the old version, you have to update it, and then you also clear storage in order to refresh the application. So now once we have generated our new USA number, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp, and this is very simple. Everyone can do this. Just use your USA number for your WhatsApp verification. So just select the country to USA. So you can see United States over here, and then once you click on United States, you can see +1 is already here. So all you need to do is to just go to your virtual sim, and you can see over here caller ID. So you can just copy this number and then use this number to create your unlimited WhatsApp account. So with this, you can create your free USA WhatsApp account or your Telegram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,